हाउ इज द जोश? नया वेन्यू का कुछ जोश है कि नहीं? Okay, great. So, welcome everyone on behalf of ASIRT on the 107th Tech Day. Thank you very much for coming, and let's rise for the national anthem. I'll request all the board members to come out on stage, please. We are expecting our sponsors to reach in a couple of minutes. Just hold on. ACPL. How many of you are participating in ACPL? Bas. Okay, those who are not, okay, how many are not participating in ACPL? That's easier. Yeah. So I'd like to ask question. Now keep your hand up. Okay, so Vimal bhai, why are you not participating?
प्रॉब्लम ये है कि क्रिकेट और मैं लाइक यू नो इट्स लाइक नॉर्थ पोल एंड साउथ पोल सो बट हाँ वो बात बराबर है
We want umpire, we want cheerleaders. Yeah, Nilesh bhai, you are not playing. Why?
Because I have a challenge actually. Doctor has told me not to play recently. That's why. So definitely.
नहीं ये not accepted, not accepted. आपका
So sledges we already have Hiren Kuvadia, Atul Atre. So we need some sober people also. So Nilesh bhai, just think again now. Ask your doctor again. Okay. So everyone, we are requested. We are playing every Sunday 7 to 9, and there are almost 45 members are coming. So and it is followed by a very tasty breakfast. Very tasty. So last Sunday it was misal pav and batara vada. So all it's a like a carnival, not a cricket. So I don't think your doctor had said don't go to carnival. So now again I am repeating, who don't want to come on Sunday for cricket? So you can come by 9, we don't mind, we give breakfast. Sada, yeah, 8:30. Yes, till the breakfast last. Lifetime yeah, till the stock lasts, like that, till the breakfast lasts. So it is an amazing experience. It's a good networking. So if you want to do a networking, then this is the right time. Because what happened on that particular day, that ACPL day, the players are focusing more on the trophy and winning and losing and all that things. Whereas on Sunday, they are enjoying because they are not a part of a specific team or a particular team. They are playing as a team and everybody is enjoying. So don't miss this opportunity. It is Sunday 7 to 9. Now only one Sunday left. And there is one more session on this 26 January, Republic Day. It is from 9 to 11. So those who has a problem of waking up early. So there are those who are not early birds. They can come on 26, 9 to 11, 9 a.m. to 11. But that, no, I'm not aware about the breakfast. But Sunday I am sure that there is a very good breakfast because some members are sponsoring, some are taking initiative and all that things. And yes, this will be the last Sunday. After that, no, after that cricket will be there, but not the carnival. Pardon?
Yes, sir. Noted, noted.
Chairman, anyone can come. For that you don't become chairman and come. No, you can come. So थाना people, क्या? टैक्सी का पैसा मेरे वास्ते ले लो. फिर 4 जन बैठ के आ जाओ. Done. मुरली, संतोष, नीलेश और एक चौथा कौन है? अजय पाटिल. अजय पाटिल. क्योंकि इधर थाना पीपल. सो जस्ट थिंक यार, क्योंकि व्हाट यू आर मिसिंग ना, यू डोंट नो अनलेस एंटिल यू कम ऑन संडे. क्योंकि बहुत जन नहीं खेलते. आई विल से सो आफ्टर दिस इवेंट ना, फ्रॉम 4th February विल बी द लास्ट डे. उसके बाद शायद 6-8 महीने तक कोई वो बैट को या बॉल को हाथ भी नहीं लगाएगा. देयर आर मेनी प्लेयर्स ऐसे हैं जो उसके बाद खेलता ही नहीं. टिल आई अनाउंस द ACPL 5.0. तब तक और कुछ नहीं करते, घर पे भी नहीं खेलते, कुछ भी नहीं. So something you don't miss this event. ऐसा है because this is a flagship event and plus the bonding जो संडे को दिखने को मिलता है वो और कहाँ पे भी. मैंने आज तक, मैं बहुत से क्रिकेट में जाता हूँ, बहुत से एसोसिएशन में जाता हूँ, बहुत से जगह पे क्रिकेट भी खेलता हूँ. सब जगह जितना हारना ही क्रिटिकल रहता है, यहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा क्रिटिकल रहता है ब्रेकफास्ट कौन सा है. अच्छा मिस है. So once we announce the menu, 10 नाम फटाफट ऐड हो जाते हैं. संडे का मेनू है ना, मुर्तुजा, हर्षद और वो लोग के हाथ में है रहते हैं. वो लोग एकदम लास्ट मोमेंट पे डालते हैं. सो तू जस्ट चेक कि कौन ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए आ रहा है, कौन खेलने आ रहा है. 26 का एक्चुअल में इट्स नॉट इवेंट में अभी तक ब्रेकफास्ट डिसाइड नहीं हुआ क्योंकि अभी तक 22 प्लेयर्स हुए हैं. सो दे वो नंबर एक टाइम 30 क्रॉस किया ना, उसके बाद ब्रेकफास्ट अनाउंस होता है क्योंकि हमको तो अफोर्डेबल होता है. बिकॉज वी कॉल, हम लाइव डोसा काउंटर रखते हैं. इट इज़ अ लाइव, ऐसा नहीं एक पैकेज आता है. लाइव डोसा काउंटर रहता है. इस टाइम पे भी मिसल वाले को बुलाया था और बटाटा वड़ा वो वहाँ पे गरम गरम तल के दे रहा था. सो ये टाइप का है. और अभी मैं मेंबर्स के पास से समझना चाहता हूँ कि इज देयर एनी सजेशंस, क्योंकि बहुत जन सोचते हैं कि टेक डे ऐसा होना चाहिए, ऐसा होना चाहिए. और हम जब भी कोई मेरे को बोलता है तो मैं बोलता है बोर्ड में आ जा, बाद में बता. तो मैं आज ऐसे ही पूछता हूँ कि विदाउट कमिंग टू बोर्ड, इफ यू हैव एनी सजेशन कि हमने क्या क्या और करना चाहिए मेंबर्स के लिए या ये वो, आई विल गिव 30 सेकेंड और 1 मिनट टू ईच मेंबर. जो भी मेंबर्स के दिमाग में कोई भी आइडिया है दे कैन शेयर, क्योंकि बोर्ड में पूरा बोर्ड यहाँ पे है. आइडियाज होएगी, अगर प्रैक्टिकली एग्जीक्यूटेबल है सो वी विल अप्लाई दैट, बिकॉज दिस ASIRT is for members, by members, and they are working always for the beneficiary of members. Yes, 30 seconds.
The real life problem, like, you know, the people who have payment gateway problems are the things. So see, I look after for a cyber law. So payment kiska kahin wrong chala jata, that can be called back. So some kind of this kind of a topic, if it is discussed, you know, which is a real life problem for everybody. अपने आदमी को भी हो सकता है, घर में किसको हो सकता है, तो that we can discuss one. The secondly, as of now, I'm observing lot of people are putting like in a group also कि लाइसेंस के लिए लोग बहुत दादागिरी करते हैं प्रिंसिपल कंपनीज. सो वी कैन फिक्स देम प्रॉपरली कि एक तो डेटा प्राइवेसी, अपना डेटा उठाते हैं और उसके बाद अपने को ही स्क्रू करके, मतलब लाइक जमींदारी सिस्टम के जैसा कहीं भी साइन करवा लिया और फिर अपने को मतलब पार्टनर्स को भी परेशान करते हो और कस्टमर को भी परेशान करते हो. लेट्स टेक सम वॉइस ऑन दिस पर्टिकुलर पार्ट एंड फिक्स ऑल दिस बिग जायंट्स. We can take proper action on this. If we jointly work on this, I think there is a solution for this.
It's a good idea, क्योंकि अभी आज ही कुछ रिसेंटली कोई स्केचअप या पूरा उसाका ही था. सो अविनाश ये आगे ले सकते हैं, तो बोर्ड में डिस्कस करके जयेश के साथ कर. हाँ, मीन्स उसमें कोई डाउट नहीं है. अगर किसी को डाउट है तो हाथ ऊपर करे. जयेश भाई से जयेश बरोडिया सपोर्टिव है कि नहीं है, अगर किसी को कोई डाउट है तो हाथ ऊपर करे. So अभी भी तेरा डर कायम है. So any other suggestions, because see basically this is our 107th tech day. अभी आइडियाज चल रही है, इम्प्रोवाइज हो रहा है, हम इवॉल्व हो रहे हैं. पर अगर किसी के दिमाग में आ रहा है कि अभी तक हमने ये मिस किया हुआ, इवन द न्यू मेंबर कैन ऑल्सो सजेस्ट, अगर उन्होंने और कोई एसोसिएशन में कुछ देखा होगा कि हम क्या कर सकते हैं जिससे मेंबर्स को फायदा हो. सो अगर किसी के भी दिमाग में कोई भी आइडिया, बर्थडे बॉय यू कैन से जिलेश भाई, बाय द वे टुडे इज जिलेश बर्थडे, हैप्पी सो आज का डिनर जो है वो जिलेश की तरफ से है, ट्रेजरर जयेश नोट करना, जिलेश स्पॉन्सर कर रहा है और उसको स्टेज पे भी बुलाना 2 मिनट के लिए, डन कंफर्म ना, ओके। सो एनी सजेशन, एनीथिंग, किसी का भी दिमाग में कोई भी आइडिया आता होगा, कोई भी सजेशन? हाँ सर, हाँ दे ना भाई।
Hello, good evening everybody. So we had seen very fantastic evolve speakers in past, but in recent past we are missing those evolve speakers if we can loop in, because we remember attending Mr. Agarwal, isn't it?
Sunil Agarwal, then
Sunil
Radhakrishna
Agarwal,
Pillai.
no cost branding. Then we had Dr. Radhakrishnan Pillai.
Dr. Radhakrishnan Pillai.
So there were so many evolve speakers which had really added, you know, fantastic value to our ASIRT Tech Days. So missing out on those evolve speakers, which will definitely help us, you know, investing time coming all the way from our location to ASIRT Tech Day, wherever it is.
So this is again a good idea, and from this I will just request all the members, if they know any evolve speaker who will be very good speaker for ASIRT, ASIRT is ready to pay. So if he is a professional, ASIRT will pay them. So it is not that we want him free service or something like that, but it should be genuinely good and he should be beneficial for the members. So if you are aware about anyone, any
Tushar
good
bhai,
evolve
if
speaker.
you can ask members, anybody remembers Mr. Chabra who had visited sometime when there was an MSME guy who had come from Mantralaya, Mr. Rathi. The same Tech Day we had one Mr. Chabra. So he was one of the good speakers.
So we can just check Mr. Sabra, because we have all the recordings.
Yeah.
We will check.
I have
and
the number, I don't
yeah,
mind sharing it.
best. So anybody has any evolve speaker, Nilesh Pitle has one. So Nilesh, you just said that thing. So anybody has any good speaker, he can be an author, he can be a life coach, he can be some achiever, even a corporate successful member can also come. But if it's a good speaker, it will be very, very helpful for the members. So because now our stock is almost over, so we have to search every time. And what happened, suppose someone has suggested, so we have to go through that, and every month we are arranging, so every month we require one evolve speakers. So we request everyone, so kisi ka bhi. Yeah. So anybody has any speakers? Mahendra Piturakia, I have also attended his one session. It's good. Yeah, I'm aware. Yes. Superb. So you just send one mail. So now we have 3. So my time is over. It was a free time. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Tushar bhai. Good evening again, and welcome again to all the members. I request everybody to take the seat. Okay, please take your seat. Thank you. So we'll start off with ASIRT's corporate presentation, and I'll invite our chairman, our president, Mr. Sanjay Ruparel, to do the honors. Thank you.
Good evening, guys. Am I audible? Okay, we are going to invite some ENT specialists also next time, so everybody can hear me properly. So good evening, friends. See, dates are very important in our life. So कुछ हमारे जो married friends हैं उनको I like to ask that आपको आपकी anniversary याद है क्या? I thought कि आज मैं जो लोगों से मिल रहा हूँ वो सब एकदम हाईली यंग पीपल है, जो एंथुजियास्ट है, उनके पास बहुत जोर है, एनर्जी है, लेकिन मुझे तो लग रहा है सब 55 प्लस है यहाँ पे, तो जो हिसाब से मुझे रिस्पॉन्सेज आ रहे हैं. सो क्या आपको आपकी एनिवर्सरी याद है? यस. शादी याद नहीं है. ओके, गुड. ये जानलेवा हो सकता है भाई. आई एम टेलिंग यू. ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम. अच्छा, अभी जिसकी शादी ना भी हुई या हुई भी हो, उन सबके लिए क्या आपको आपकी वाइफ, गर्लफ्रेंड या आपका कोई क्रश हो, उसकी बर्थडे याद है आपको? Alright, so these are all important dates. अच्छा, now do you remember आपने बिजनेस कभी स्टार्ट किया था? एग्जैक्ट डेट पता है या खाली मंथ बाकी है यार, मालूम है? ओह ग्रेट, ओके. सो फिर और भी एक इम्पॉर्टेंट डेट है हमारी लाइफ में, स्पेशली फॉर असर्टर्स, आई थिंक हमको पता होगा. सो दैट इज 16th March 2012, राइट? क्या हुआ था तभी? यू मस्ट बी, या दैट इज द डे व्हेन असर्ट वाज बॉर्न, राइट? दैट वाज द डे वी हैड आवर first meeting of ASIRT. That was the first tech day. This is our 10th year celebration. We have completed 10 years and the whole year we are celebrating as 10-year celebration. This is our 107th tech day. We have been doing this tech days consistently from this last 10.5 years. Thank you guys. Yeah, now one more thing. See, this is the 107th tech day happening here. Now we all are entrepreneurs. So I would just like to ask you one thing, that entrepreneur में कौन सा एक quality होना चाहिए जिसकी वजह से वो always आगे बढ़ता है? Passion, right? Sorry? Consistency, yeah, very much. Awareness, collaboration, planning, learning, yes. Yeah, all are true, but yeah, learning is the most important thing in as far as IT business is concerned, because हमारे लाइन में रोज कुछ नया आता है. We have to keep on learning new technologies, new products and services which is coming in the market, and tech days, what we call is, are the perfect place to learn new technology, new products and everything. So thank you so much for coming here and attending this 107th tech day. Yeah, now moving ahead. In 2012, when this was formed, what was the scenario? The scenario was we had all different kind of professionals there who were into IT, like they might be software developers, they might be into CCTV, they might be into IT supplies, services, everything, but they were all scattered. They were not together. They didn't have a single umbrella where they can go and they can learn something new, or they can report their complaints, or they can collaborate and overcome of their hurdles, whatever they are facing. But when ASIRT form, now down 10 years down, 2022, you can see that we are all under one roof. We are 230 plus members today with ASIRT, thanks to the membership committee, Shirish and Jayesh. Can we have a really big round of applause for them? Thank you membership committee, you are doing a wonderful job. So we are 230 plus members now, and the complete shift has been happening, right? Every heading here which I have written, system integrators, cloud, CCTV, home automation, office automation, whatever you talk about, data recovery, everybody is under one roof, under ASIRT, and we are taking advantage of learning new technologies, collaborating and everything. Yeah, so today we are 10 years young. The way I say, 230 plus members. We have been consistently doing every month a tech day, that is 100 plus tech days. We have 6 consortiums, and we have been doing 3,000 plus crores business annually together as an association. All right, now ASIRT is not only about business. We do various things. We have various events happening in ASIRT. So thing is, we have ASIRT consortiums. We definitely have socials, and one of the event that we have is cricket. We have annual cricket tournaments, which has been a well-received event for us. And what we do is, we have an interview also, which is actually, interview is about the spouse of the members who are there. I'll come to it in the next slides. Now what we have done here is, we have created consortiums. So now what are the use of consortiums? We have 230 plus members, and how we can make them collaborate with each other or do business with each other. So we have divided this 230 members in 6 separate groups, where we have made sure that there are some or the other kind of specialties happening in that consortiums or that groups, and people can meet separately, not only in these meetings, but they can meet up even after these meetings. They can work together, they can try to help each other, collaborate with each other, and take their business to the next level. So these are the consortium meetings. There are immense benefits of this. I would request everybody, whenever there is a consortium meeting, please do attend it, don't miss it. And I don't know how many, but how many Consortium captains are here today. Can I tell them to stand up, please? Can you guys please stand up? They've been doing an excellent job here. We have been consistently following them for meetings. We have been doing monthly meetings with them, taking up the review. They are doing fantabulous jobs. Thank you so much, captains. Thank you. Yeah, so I was talking about the group of the spouse, that we all knew that we are doing business, but if you see from past few years, we have been noticing that even our spouse are working somewhere or other. They might be professionals or they might be working from home. कुछ भी like chocolate बनाने का business करते हैं, या they might be mehndi artist, or they might be doing some or the other work from their home, right, in the spare time. So what we have done to give them boost कि वो भी ज़्यादा business कर सकें, we have created a group which is called Innerwell. Right, we have different programs for them as well, plus we have a WhatsApp group where they exchange, they advertise their businesses, and they do various activities in this. Yeah, this is the premium event, one of the premium events that we have, ACPL. We are coming up with this ACPL on 4th February 2023. It is Shivami ASIRT Cricket Premier League 4.0. Yeah, and we are not only doing TechEDGE and socials and all, we also train our members. So we are going to have a TechEDGE. Now what is TechEDGE? TechEDGE is a special event for, now if we see here TechDays are only for owners. See, we cannot send our representatives or members here. This is an owners group, and all the owners are present here. But TechEDGE is something that we organize as an association to help members to improve their skill sets. Right? We in past also we have invited Sophos for firewall thing, we have done some Azure thing, and we have done many training sessions where your employees come and attend these events, and they can learn the technologies practically. So if we are talking about Azure, then we are going to train you how to configure Azure and related things there. So that kind of training sessions we are organizing. This is the one where your employees can actually attend. One is coming up on 11th February 2023. Please plan accordingly. This is, I think, Saturday, and it will be probably in the morning time. The topic that we are talking about is, we'll be shortly releasing the details on the WhatsApp groups. So please take advantage of these trainings as well, where you can really take your business to the next level by learning new technologies. Now, ASIRT is only, like what we are talking about is, we are trying to create a collaborative environment with the help of consortiums, and there's meetings where we try to get a collective growth of every member. We definitely are going to have this kind of events, plus if needed, we might go for digital events in case of TechEDGE and all. We are continuously trying to get new OEMs, new product providers here on this platform. In past, it has happened that many of the OEMs have launched their products from this platform. We have been honored with that. And so we will keep on doing that in oncoming years also, where you can get direct connections with the OEMs and all. We definitely, the way I talk about socials and all, which will keep on happening. And ASIRTers know how to work hard, then to have fun, then collaborate and grow more. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for your time and patience. Yes, over to you.
Thank you very much, Sanjay bhai. Last time also I said the same thing. I'll repeat it again. It is 107th Tech Day in almost 10 years, or we'll be completing 11 years in March. I personally believe that if you have worked in any organization and generating and creating this event every month on month for 10 years, non-stop, without failing, it's an amazing achievement. So 3 cheers for all the founder members for creating this wonderful organization and wonderful legacy for all of us to follow. Thank you very much. We'll starting with our sponsor event. We have Ruji Networks as our first sponsor, Mr. Rajiv Singh, who is regional. Rajiv Singh is a regional manager India. He has worked earlier in Netgear, Cisco, and today he will be speaking about one of the very interesting product that they have. I'll invite Rajiv. Rajiv, all yours. Stage is all yours. presentation by our next sponsor, NPAV, and then it will be followed by a very interesting session by an evolved speaker. I just wanted to know how many founder members are present here. Can you just please stand up? Pankaj bhai, Kshitij bhai, Karthik. Kshitij bhai? Okay. So thank you very much for really creating this wonderful organization. Because what has happened, in last 10 years, we are no more competitors. We are all collaborators. Thanks to consortium, really, I mean, that line, that distinction of we being different from others is completely vanished. We are no more competitors. I'm sure each one of us, especially the old members, have experienced this, that we can speak, we can share, and we can do anything with our fellow members without thinking about losing business, losing a customer, right? So let's continue this journey, and all the new members, I really invite you to be part of consortium, take full advantage of that, and grow together. Thank you. Over to you, Rajiv.
So I think Roger is not unknown name now for everyone, right? We already participated in last event. So Bharat Bhai has given me some other one more chance actually to participate in this event. So today I'm not going to take more time actually. I'm just going to brief about the Roger because last time there was some different emotion. It was the cricket game and then the team selection. So something was happening actually. So due to that reason, what we realized, what Bharat Bhai realized, Bharat Bhai also realized. So I think Roger should get one more chance to present some brief about the company introduction and how we worked in international market and India market. So when we talk about Roger, so we are not new in this particular market. Roger, they started their business in 2003. Basically, it's a Chinese OEM. And since 2003 till 2023, when they started, it was completely one country presence. They were completely based out of China. They entered in overseas market, but they didn't enter any time directly in overseas market. How they entered in overseas market? Along with D-Link actually. So Roger was the ODM for D-Link. So in India market, we started the India operation in 2013 actually, along with D-Link. So we did lot of projects in India market, overseas market. So when we started D-Link, so it was the global tie-up along with D-Link. So in 2015, Roger started directly entered in overseas market. So in India, we started our operation in 2019. So today I will just give you brief about the Roger, how we are doing this particular business in India and as well as overseas market. Can you change the slide? So yes, so basically there are the multiple OEM in this particular segment, right? When we talk about network, so Cisco, HP, Aruba, multiple OEM is there. Why they should consider Roger actually, right? We are up, so out of 10 to 15 OEM, there's another new OEM. First of thing, this is the new product. Second thing is what? Every OEM, they are selling a similar technology. Why they should go for us? So the reason is what? Till 2014 to 15, because Meraki is the first OEM who entered in this cloud space. Meraki, they started this cloud operation, cloud management kind of tool in 2012 actually. And we entered in this cloud space in 2014. So basically, every OEM has a similar kind of setup, on-prem and on-cloud kind of management tools. But why they should go with us? The advantage is what? All the devices, not only this gateway, switches, wireless, not only on-prem, you can manage all the devices over a cloud also. Here, the cloud, the management tool which we are offering over a cloud, that is completely free of cost without any charge. So I will tell you how it is going to impact your business. Take an example, you are a system integrator, right? Tomorrow, if you did some site in maybe Bhiwandi or maybe some 100 kilometer away or maybe any corner of the country. You install their this CCTV camera, switches, wireless access point, maybe some network devices. So one-time installation is okay, but what customer expect from your side, after implementation, you need to manage that site at least for 1 year or 2 year or 3 year kind of time, right? Some customer is there, some partner is there who has their FMS also, right? Facility management system kind of thing. So in that situation, you need to either deploy your one engineer at a site, but again 5 to 10 kind of devices, who is going to deploy one physical engineer at a site? Suppose there is the customer, they have a 10 location, 15 location, 100 location kind of presence. So maintenance is the biggest challenge. Multiple time, if anyone is here who is managing, who is doing the CCTV surveillance job, 90% cases came where CCTV got stopped giving a video output because after running and running, CCTV got hang. So just you need to visit at a physical site, just reboot that device and camera will start giving video throughput. So just assume 100 kilometer, 50 kilometer, whatever time you are sending your engineer, it is taking 1 day kind of thing, right? Or maybe it is again 1 day plus there is the again finances involved into that. If you are getting some solution where you can manage your CCTV, you can manage your NVR, you can manage your switches, you can manage your camera, everything you can manage sitting in your office. Does not matter how many location presence you have, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, does not matter how many devices you have, 100, 1000, 10,000, up to 10,000 devices you can manage from our Roje Cloud without paying any cost till the end of life of that particular device. Means it's absolutely free of cost for lifetime. So I will show you how you can manage. So prior to that, I will just go through 2 to 3 minutes about the slide. Okay. So these are the basically coordinate rating agency who rated all the OEM about this there as per the market availability. So we are there in Gartner, we are there in IDC. So when we talk about IDC, so Roje was the number 1 when we talk about Wi-Fi 6 shipment wise in 2021. We are the first OEM who introduced Wi-Fi 7 devices in last year, 2022. In the month of September, we announced our Wi-Fi 7 devices also. So when we talk about technology-wise, wireless technology-wise, we have a presence Web 1, Web 2. We are there Wi-Fi 5, Wi-Fi 6, and Wi-Fi 7. So we have started Wi-Fi 7 shipment also. I don't think there are the multiple OEM in this market. They at the time they have not introduced their Wi-Fi 7 devices also, but we have already started shipping. Next. So this is about global presence. We are so basically whatever devices we are talking about, everything is developed by our own. So we have a total 7 R&D center based out of China and 2 operation center which is based out of again China. Currently we have a total 50 plus branch offices globally. In India we are going to start by this financial year, maybe in the month of July or August. We are just listing one Indian company, so that process will maybe happen by the time of 2 or 3 months maximum. So then we are going to take a physical office in Mumbai. And then 20,000 plus global partners who are associated with us, 7,000 plus employees, they are working for Roje. How we are investing 50% plus revenue, we are investing for R&D purpose, and 50% plus employees, they are working for R&D purpose. So the technology which we are selling today, everything is developed by our own. There is nothing like white labeling kind of thing. So these are some ISO certifications. So many partner, many customers is there, they asked this, do you have this ISO certification? So you can tell them, yes, we have. Recently we participated in bid actually, Air Authority of India. So where they asked, do you have an ISO certification? We submitted them. They released the RFP. Finally, we won that RFP. That was the Air Authority of India, Vadodara Airport. Second RFP was Bharat Navratna Company, NBCC. Again, there was the 3 competitor was there, Roje, Cisco and Juniper was there actually. So again, we won that tender. So this all the any kind of certification you required, we can manage for that. So we have a 2 portfolio. One is Roje, another one is Ray. When we talk about Roje, it's a purely enterprise grade of product. When we talk about RAI, here we compete OEM like Dell, Netgear, Ubiquiti kind of OEM. So Rouge is purely enterprise. We support all the enterprise grade of platform. It could be .1x or .11x. There is no any interoperability challenge. We support this IEEE standard. So if any new setup or any existing setup is there, customer asks, they have a core Juniper or Cisco kind of devices. So do you support in access if they are buying their Rouge devices? So do you support that? So you can tell them yes. Our devices switches are compatible with .11x platform and wireless compatible with .1x platform. So interoperability is not a challenge from an NMS or NAC point of view or from a switch-to-switch communication point of view also. So these are the product range. So started from unmanaged switches, unmanaged, smart managed, layer 2, layer 3. And then in switches category and wireless category, it could be, so in wireless category, we have a three division actually. One is wall plate AP, so which you can put in your hotel room or smart home kind of concept. Second one is indoor AP, that is Wi-Fi 5, Wi-Fi 6 or Wi-Fi 7. Third one is outdoor AP. Outdoor AP, all outdoor AP certified with IP68 kind of platform. So no matter what kind of temperature is there, what kind of weather is there, no need to remove that device, that all the device runs in every kind of atmosphere. And third is gateway. So we have a load balancer gateway where which can work in a case of failover, like 2 ISP you put it, one ISP got down, another ISP will automatically get up. That works in failover. Second, if customer wants bandwidth aggregation, 2 ISP they put it to 50 Mbps plus 50 Mbps, you will get 100 Mbps throughput. So you can do the bandwidth aggregation. Our gateway support content filtering also. If customer is asking they want content filtering, no need to buy the firewall. You can do the content filtering also. If customer wants some user policy kind of different user policy, you can create different user policy. If they want voucher-based authentication process, yes, our gateway support voucher-based authentication. Our this gateway can manage up to 10,000, up to 1,000 kind of access point if customer don't want manage access point over a cloud. Otherwise, over a cloud, they can manage up to 10,000 access point. So any kind of things which where the customer is looking for firewall or controller kind of thing, our gateway can do that kind of stuff. No need to buy any physical devices to manage. No, everything is perpetual. Nothing license is not there. So this is the enterprise grade of access point. So again, similar range is there, but RAI, it's a purely made for SMB or SME kind of scenario because the chipset, the hardware configuration, the skill set which is there in RAI, Rouge is almost 100 times better than RAI. So here, that is what there we have a put at competition OEM is like Cisco, HP and Aruba. Here in Rouge product and RAI product we put it like Ubiquiti, Netgear kind of OEM. Here the whatever devices are there, all the devices support Wi-Fi 5, Wi-Fi 6, Wi-Fi 7 kind of platform. All the devices have data center. In switches we have again data center kind of portfolio or core switches aggregation or access switches. In gateway again, gateway support from this 100 to 10,000 kind of VPN tunnel or gateway support. 10,000 kind of user you can manage via Rouge gateway. So the features which I told you about this content filtering and all those things supported by this Rouge platform. So as I told you, this Meraki started their cloud operation in 2012. After Meraki, we are the second OEM who started giving this management platform. We started our operation, this cloud management operation in 2014. Question usually customer ask, where is your cloud? So usually people think that cloud is there in China, might be they can theft your data. So no, our cloud is there in Singapore. Our cloud deployed in Google actually. We don't have any public means our own cloud. We have deployed our complete setup in Google data center Singapore. Second, we complied this European standard, that is the GDPR. So if any customer is asking from compliance point of view, we can forward the document, you can forward to them. So European standard, this GDPR is a global standard actually, which complies by every this data center OEM. So we also complied this GDPR standard. So there is no any from this cloud management or data leakage kind of doubt is there actually. So these are some references actually. So basically our focused vertical today, where we are getting too much success, it's the hospitality industry. We are getting very good success in hotel, school and then this education industry. Why? Because today the segment hospitality industry, when we talk about, so for them, like IT is the investment. Means IT is the cost for them, because they are not ready to invest anything into IT. What kind of solution they are looking, it's everything should get a free of cost. So here when we talk about why we are getting success means in hospitality industry, because the solution which competition can offer, either Ruckus or HP or Uber, similar solution we can offer at a one third of cost. If customer has one IT engineer, they can manage their multiple sites sitting in his office. That is the second. Third, if they want change any policy in their current setup, no need to deploy at the means go at a physical site. Whatever policy they are changing here, all the devices will get automatically implemented that policy. If they want add some devices, no need to go at a physical site to implement that devices. They can just send that device, just scan that this barcode. That device automatically will get added in that particular project. And then if any device is getting any issue, if there is any RMA issue, that person can send that devices to them. They will we will deliver them new piece. There is no any like repair kind of warranty. So almost we have a table replacement warranty for all the devices. What you need to do, we have a tech support team. You need to raise the RMA number, RMA case, and once RMA will get generated, if there is the software failure, they will sort it out. If there is the hardware failure, they will give you the RMA number. We will replace that device against the RMA number. So it will mostly we give the table replacement. Might be if devices is not there, then we will give you standby, and once device will reach, then we will replace that with the new hardware. And these are the some enterprise grade of references. You can move on. So these are the some hotels like Tunga Peninsula. So here Tunga Peninsula, Sai Palace, Intercontinental, so here 100% deployment is there from Roger side. So recently we launched one gateway. So basically here currently they are using 24 online for authentication gateway. So because the earlier gateway which we have, that does not support this PMS integration. So now we launched new series, that is the NVR series. That NVR you can integrate your PMS gateway. Means your radius server and PMS gateway, you can integrate with our NVR series of gateway, where you can manage this authentication process, like your billing gateway. So again, no need to buy anything like subscription-based kind of model. Again, NVR series, there is no any license. It's everything comes with a perpetual. Along with hardware, everything is free of cost. So means complete setup you can manage over a cloud for 3 year, 5 year. Whatever warranty period you want, we can design the solution according to that. This, wait a moment. So one brief, can you just minimize that? Just a second. I will take just a 5 minute. Sorry, some problem is coming. I am not able to show that software. So basically, there is the app, in App Store you can download this Roger Cloud app. So in Roger Cloud app, you can, what you can get there actually, you can get there all the product details. You can get the comparison chart. You can get the in project option, you can create the demo project, or you can create the physical project also, where you can get all this configuration which I told you. Means you can get this physical experience, how you can manage your project, how you can manage your CCTV, how you can manage your NVR, how you can manage your access point. All those things you can get over a Roger Cloud. It's a free of cost. Just one time you need to put your credentials like username and password, and lifetime you can get the access of that Roger Cloud app. So thank you so much for your kind time, and then thank you so much for Bharat Bhai. So if anyone has any question, I have already shown my this email ID and mobile number. You can put the yeah, Bharat. I will send to Bharat Bhai. Yes. Done, sir. Done. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Yes. As per datasheet 500, but as per this, so see, there are the different model actually. When we talk about 2 by 2, 2 cross 2, 2 cross 2 support approx 60 to 70 users. And when we talk about 4 cross 4, recently here in Surat Diamond, actually Surat Diamond in event we deployed approx 4 to 5 access point. One access point was able to bear the load of 150 users. So yes. So in our gateway, you can create a user policy where you can define user can get internet access for 10 minutes and 5 Mbps, 2 Mbps, what kind of data quota you want to offer them. So whoever user is going to join, outsider, with that particular group, they will get that particular limit only, that particular data quota only. In gateway, you can create different user policy actually. Okay, yeah, thank you. Yes. No license required. So the new gateway NBR series IoT enabled. Yes. So anyone has any question? If no, thank you.
Thank you very much,
Thank you,
Mr. Rajiv.
I will just show you.
Yes, sir, we missed the lucky draw. I think that's a better idea.
So what offer we have actually? We have a unmanaged 24/4 gigabit. Okay. That unmanaged gigabit switch and PoE 24/4 gigabit minus switch. Unmanaged gigabit switch cost is 8,500. Unmanaged gigabit switch cost is 8,500 and managed 24-port managed PoE switch, which supports 370 watt power budget and which can manage your NVR and CCTV both. If you are buying one unit, okay, one unit, we will give you 1 gram gold coin. 1 gram gold coin. Valid for today.
1 gram gold coin.
1 unit of 24-port gigabit unmanaged switch, 1 unit of 24-port gigabit PoE managed switch, buy one unit. Sorry? 15 days return policy. Immediate, take a discount, take a gift card, take a gold card, it's up to you. How you want to utilize that scheme.
Okay, thank you very much. You can take advantage of this scheme. For more details, you can talk to him in the break. I'm sure Mr. Rajiv, you are there till dinner, I suppose. So he'll be there for, in case you want to take the advantage of this offer, please be in touch with him. Thank you very much.